How to check recent activity on Android phone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your settings. And once you do that, using the search feature, search for data and privacy. You will get a bunch of results from which you want to click on the results that says Google account. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here in which you want to scroll down, and from the history settings section, click on my activity at the bottom left. And once you do that, you will be redirected to this page right here. And once you do that, you will get to this page right here in which you will be able to see all of your activity on your Android phone. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see your activity on Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.